Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 9 tutorials. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how can we implement barcode in Laravel 9. As you can see, I have already created a notepad file right here on the desktop so that we can make this process simpler and easier to understand. Yeah, so let's move to step number 1, which says that we need to create a fresh Laravel project, or we can use an existing project. So it's totally up to you. In my case, I'm going to use a fresh Laravel project. So in case if you have Laravel globally installed, you can simply use this command to create a fresh project. Otherwise, you have to use this command right here. So in my case, I have already created a fresh Laravel project. Let me show you. Let's move to git bash, and right here you can see the name barcode 1 because I am using barcode package for Hindi Urdu lecture. So that's why, to differentiate, I have created it with the name barcode 1. And let me show you on Sublime as well right here, barcode 1. Okay, so now we can simply move to step number 2, which says that we need to install barcode package. So I'm just going to copy this million barcode and let's move here and paste it. And I'm going to pause the video because it is going to take some time. So let's save some time of the video. Okay guys, so it's done. Let's move to step number 3, which says that we need to access the config app.php and paste the below code. So I'm just going to copy this one, providers part. Let's move to Sublime. And let's move to config app.php. Let's move to providers part right here, and I'm just going to paste it just like that. Okay, now let's move to alias part, and right here I have 2 lines, so I'm just going to copy this. Actually it refers to DNS 1D and 2D. Okay, so let's move here because in this case we are not just implementing the barcode, but we have a lot of options, so that's why. And some of them are based on 1D and some of them are based on 2D array. Okay, so yeah, let's save it. Step number 4, which says that we need to create a controller. Fair enough, so let's do that. PHP artisan make controller, and controller name would be, let's say, product controller. Okay, let's move to Sublime. Okay, we have it. Let's move to step number 5, which says that we need to create a method to return the barcode view. So let's move to Sublime now. Just wanted to show you the steps, so that's why. So product controller, and let's create a method here. Simple method to return a view. Public function index return view. View name would be, let's say, barcode. Let's make it simple. Okay, let's move to notepad file. Step number 6, create a view for barcode. So I'm just going to copy and paste this HTML right here, copy, and let's move to resources, views, and let's create a fresh file, paste everything, and let's save it with barcode, same name, blade.php. Okay, let's move to step number 7, create a route and test the barcode. So yeah, it's simple. Let's move to web.php. Okay, and right here, route get barcode, and then app http controllers controller, and then product controller @index method. Okay, so we are going to hit the index method, and now we can simply run our project. So PHP artisan serve port 8080. Okay, once done, we can move here and let's do a refresh here. Okay, let's move to barcode view, barcode, just like that. And right here you can see we have the barcode, QR code, and many others. So you can use any of them. It's totally up to you. For, let's say, detailed information, you can always refer to the package documentation million barcode. Okay, and let's move forward. I want to show you some options. We have a lot of things right here. You can do a lot of stuff. So the thing I was talking about 1D and 2D, so it refers to it. See, so some of the codes that are generated right here are related to 2D barcodes, and some of them are related to 1D. So yeah, you have to keep that in mind. The most important thing, that's why we have a difference of, let's say, defining it right here, DNS 1D 2D. So this one QR code is related to 2D array. Okay, one more thing, you can let's say change the color, text, whatever you like, but please keep in mind that there is a difference of implementing the width and height and color for each of them. Okay, so as I said earlier, you can refer to the documentation and you will get the idea. So for the firma, let's say right here, I can simply change the color or width or height. So let's do that. So I'm going to move here and I'm going to put, let's say 10 width and 10 height. Okay, and let's see what we have right here. Let's do a refresh here. And now you can see the barcode. Okay, so difference is right here. Now I can simply, if I want to color it, I have to put a comma and let's say in the quotes green. Okay, let's do a refresh once again. And right here you can see the difference. Okay, so you can test it on your own, whatever you like. You can let's say manipulate the text or whatever you like, and there are a lot of options. If let's say if you want it dynamically or whatever it is, the scenario, it depends on the scenario. So right here you can refer to the documentation as well. And that's about it from this specific video. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.